Life path. Number 5. The adventure seeker. Numbers are all around us, but did you know they can tell us secrets about ourselves? That's what numerology is all about. If you were born on the 5th, 14th, or 23rd of any month, you have life path number 5. This number is linked to Mercury, the planet of communication, quick thinking, and problem solving. People with life path 5 are full of energy, charm, and curiosity. They love to explore new ideas, meet new people, and try new things. Sitting still? Not for them. They're always on the move, looking for the next big adventure. Whether it's traveling, learning a new skill, or starting a new project, they crave excitement and variety. But Life Path 5 isn't just about fun, it's also about success. These people have a special way of turning challenges into opportunities. No matter where they start in life, they have a strong drive to build financial security. They're great at making smart choices, especially in business. Their mix of creativity and strategy helps them stand out. They know how to talk to people and express their ideas clearly. They can solve problems fast and adapt to any situation. They don't like being tied down and prefer to follow their own path. They love learning, exploring, and trying new experiences. They don't let failures stop them. They learn and move forward. Even though Life Path 5s have many strengths, they can also face some challenges. They might start things but not always finish them. They can make quick decisions without thinking things through. Whether in relationships or jobs, they may struggle with long-term commitments. To succeed, Life Path 5s should find balance, enjoying freedom while staying focused on their goals. People with Life Path 5 do well in careers that allow creativity, travel, or communication. They make excellent entrepreneurs and business owners, writers, journalists, or public speakers, travel bloggers or tour guides, marketers and advertisers, actors and performers. They're also good with money because they think strategically. But since they love adventure, they should be careful not to spend too much on travel or exciting experiences. In love, Life Path 5s are fun, charming, and exciting partners. They need a relationship that allows them to be themselves and have freedom. A partner who is understanding, adventurous, and open-minded is the best match for them. They don't like feeling trapped, so they need someone who supports their independence. So, if you have Life Path number 5, embrace your adventurous spirit. Your path is full of excitement, learning, and opportunities to grow. With your determination and quick thinking, success is just around the corner. Life is an adventure, and you're the explorer. Like, share, and subscribe for more numerology content. Until next time.